Horses out here by Storm, best to begin, barkadahan, danarin, Zanis, Escapo, and on the outside is Double O. I Storm, barkadahan, Escapo is running by Drella, and 2 lengths the Winport is Double O. Now we have I Storm, the leader, by about 2.5 lengths. Barkadahan now moving up to take second, Escapo is running by Drella third. Double O is racing in fourth, that's still I Storm by about 4 lengths now. Escapo in second, Barkadahan alongside third, Double O. But it's still I Storm by about 6 lengths now over Escapo. Moving up on the outside now is Double O to take second. Barkadahan drives back in fourth. And it's still I Storm by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Double O now trying to get closer in second. Escapo in third and Barkadahan. I Storm by only a length, and I have Double O now moving up on the outside. I Storm, Double O now moves up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Double O followed by I Storm in second, Escapo, Barkadahan in fourth. As they come down at the last 150 with Double O now by about 3 lengths. I Storm still in second, Escapo and Barkadahan. Last 100 meters, we have Double O now by about 4 lengths over I Storm. And finally, it's Double O, I Storm, Escapo, and Barkadahan.
4, 3, 1, 2.
Right, it's Double O, yung ating winner dyan. Llamado, 4-3 na forecast. Pinakadeha din kung magagaling sa 4 yung 4-3 na forecast.